Hello everybody. In this video, we'll take a look at the latest improvement to the TCS Insert Block. This enhancement introduces support for hatch conversion, allowing users to define hatches directly inside user block drawings. These hatches can now be used for quantity calculations and for generating 3D models, making block-based workflows even more powerful. Let's take a look at this new feature through a practical example. In this case, I'm working on a road design project where some elements have already been drawn in the cross-sections. Now, I want to add a barrier. If we just take a quick look at the block itself, you'll see that it represents a barrier made up of two hatches. These two hatches are currently placed on the same layer. It's important to note that the functionality works in such a way that even if multiple different hatches are used, they will be treated as a single quantity. To have different quantities definitions, you need to prepare different block drawings for insertion. Now, let's close this drawing with the block and return to the previous one. Then, go to the Cross Sections tab and run the Insert Block command. First, select the file with the barrier block and define the element label. Then make sure the Explode setting is enabled so the hatch to Planimetry conversion works correctly. Then, click OK and specify the insertion point. The inserted hatches from block are now converted into Planimetry quantities, meaning they are included in quantity takeoff calculations and can also be used for 3D model generation. To generate the quantities, use the quantity takeoff command and specify where the results should be inserted into the DWG drawing. The software will then calculate and display the quantities based on the defined elements. If needed, a 3D solid can also be created. Simply launch the Draw 3D Model command, set the required parameters, and confirm. The solid model will be generated automatically based on the quantity element. With this improvement to the Insert Block feature, using hatches inside blocks becomes a practical way to automate quantity calculations and 3D model creation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.